What are grave breaches under international humanitarian law? Imagine a situation where the rules of war are broken in the worst ways possible. That's what grave breaches are all about. They are the most serious violations of the Geneva Conventions, which are key treaties that set the rules during armed conflicts. These breaches happen when acts are committed against people or property that are protected under these treaties. They are considered especially severe because they cause serious harm to those who need protection, like wounded soldiers, prisoners of war, and civilians caught in conflict zones. Some acts that count as grave breaches include deliberately killing protected persons, which means intentionally ending the life of someone who is not fighting. Torture or inhuman treatment also fall into this category, including any cruel acts or biological experiments on prisoners. Causing great suffering or serious injury to someone's body or health is another grave breach. This can include things like mutilation or inflicting injuries that leave lasting damage. Destroying or stealing property without a valid military reason is also a grave breach. For example, if soldiers burn down homes or take goods that are not related to their military needs, that counts. Unlawful deportation or transferring people from occupied territories without permission is another serious violation. These acts are all listed explicitly in the Geneva Conventions of 1949 and their additional protocols, especially the first one from 1977, which expands protections further. When these breaches happen, countries have a legal obligation to act. They must investigate allegations thoroughly and either prosecute or extradite those responsible, no matter where the crimes took place or what nationality the accused has. This is based on the idea of universal jurisdiction, meaning any country that is a party to the Geneva Conventions must take action. This helps prevent impunity and ensures that the most serious violations are punished. Grave breaches are also considered war crimes under international criminal law. They can be prosecuted in national courts or in international tribunals like the International Criminal Court. The goal is to hold violators accountable and stop such acts from happening again. Protecting civilians and vulnerable persons during war is a core aim of this legal framework. In practical terms, states are expected to investigate claims of grave breaches, bring those responsible to justice, and provide reparations to victims when possible. This legal system works to uphold human dignity during conflict and to prevent the worst abuses from occurring. It is an essential part of international humanitarian law and helps keep the rules of war clear and enforceable.